So you want to become a Forex trader, or really just a trader in general. You either want to trade crypto, you want to trade Forex, futures, stocks, it doesn't matter. With the secrets that I'm about to show you, you're going to go from really not knowing anything, somebody with a chart that's blown out, somebody that keeps on losing funded accounts, or really just losing your own capital, or someone that's just trading a demo account for no reason, to the goal, which is freedom through trading. Because with the secrets that I'm about to show you, you're going to be able to trade any markets. And these are secrets that the big banks, the smart money, and really all the influencers out there don't want me to tell you. But you know me, I do this shit for free and I do it for the people. So if you're liking this and if you like my content, then all I ask you for is to leave a comment, subscribe, because I know a lot of you are not subscribing, and most importantly, click that like. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Secret number one, less is more. A lot of businesses out there, and yes, I'm gonna say business because trading is business. So I'm gonna compare it to a lot of businesses out there, say that the more that you do, let's say you're doing social media, yes, if you do more, if you post more, you make more content, you get more leads, you're gonna sell more of whatever product that you're marketing. But with trading, less means more. If you have no setup, you don't have to force it. If there's nothing in the charts, all you gotta do is walk away. And I still, even me till this day, after 4 years of trading, it still feels weird. I want to sit there and work. I want to sit there, you know, come in every morning for New York session and get a trade. But that's not what happens every day. And even when I don't get a trade and I know that there's no setup, I'm human. I still want to trade, but I don't do it because through years and years and years, and this is what a lot of people are not going to tell you, I've learned that when you do that, you lose. You give more money back. And really, you want to be able to do it less. You want to be able to work less. You want freedom. So do less. If there's no setup, you walk away. There is no need to just force trades. Secret number two, market structure is what tells the real story. There's no need for news. There's no need to look at what Trump is doing, what Elon is doing. No, wars don't matter for trading. All that matters is what you're looking at in the charts. So stop thinking that there's some higher purpose out there. It's really you against the banks. It's really you against other traders in those trades. Focus on knowing your daily bias with breaks and models or whatever strategy you're using. If you're trading the 3M strategy like me and all my students, then all you need is models. All you need is daily bias. All you need is chart structure, nothing else. And if there's high impact news that day, we don't trade. We wait for the high impact news to just be done and then we trade either before or after.
But during the news, we don't touch them. That's it. That's where you blow accounts, and that's where you guys know that you can lose a lot more if your stop loss gets skipped.
So moral of the story is, F the news. All that you need is chart structure and what you see that the candles are doing. So find a strategy that really does that, which is literally what I've been doing with my students for the last 3 years, teaching them my strategy. And today only, I'm here to give it to you for completely free. All you gotta do is check the first link in the description right there down below. You go, you click it, you sign up, boom, you get the full strategy for completely free. You don't gain access to my live trading, but you gain access to everything else. And trust me, I used to charge $5,000 a pop, and now I'm giving it to you for completely free. Rise up for the people, click that like once again, and let's get into secret number three. Real traders, and I'm talking about profitable traders for more than 2 years, thinking probabilities, not uncertainties. No setup and no strategy will win 100% of the time. So thinking expected value. And to be honest, what I just said should even go for gambling and playing blackjack at the casino. And just listen, just wait. All my life, if you were to do the exact same thing at the casino, same thing, same setup, then you would make money. It would no longer be gambling because you know the numbers. That's what trading and playing blackjack is, a numbers game. You make sure that the daily, the 4 hour, the hourly, the 8 minute, and the 30 second are all doing the exact same thing before you enter a trade, and then you execute and risk the same amount every single time. You know, after a year, you will come out on top. Specifically talking about my strategy, my win rate is under 35%. But guess what? The expected value after a year is over 450% return in the last 3 years. So have some patience, know your strategy, know your numbers, and start thinking in probabilities and stop thinking in certainties. That's crazy. I just gave you some crazy sauce. I'm not gonna ask you to click the tap the like again, but that was good. That was good. Oh, for 1 second there, I was not recording. But let's get back into the video and start talking about secret number four. Backtesting and trading with a demo is useless unless you journal. Please, every single person out here, it took me years to know this, but journaling is everything. And this goes with secret number three about knowing your numbers. The reality is a lot of gurus are going to tell you to do the
Demo.
If you're not journaling, you're literally just wasting your time. There is no point on you demoing for 6 months if you can't go back and see what you did wrong. If you can't go back and know the best ways on how you should be taking profit. My students can go ahead and do that. You know, they have their sheet, the 3M trading backtesting sheet, where they can go ahead and put their numbers, and the spreadsheet is going to calculate everything you need to know know. It gives you your win rate and tells you how you should be taking profit, either with trailing your stop loss, a set RR. It gives you everything. And honestly, you know what? I'm gonna give you it for completely free too. My backtesting sheet, my journaling sheet, all you gotta do, same thing that I said earlier, click the first link down below. You get it for completely free, my backtesting sheet that gives you all the information. It gives you all the numbers that you really need to know, which will make or break your strategy. So claim that. But getting back to the secret number 4, please journal. I thought that all I had to do was backtest to practice my strategy and then demo test. And I demo tested, I demo traded for 2 years. And once I felt ready, I went and I started trading live. And what happened?
I was confident about what I was doing, but I wasn't optimizing. So after 6 months of really, I made money. I made money live, but the strategy was not it. Why? Because it wasn't optimized.
I didn't know my numbers. So when I went and did live, I started messing up and I wasn't the problem. So what I do, I realized that I was missing something, which was journaling. And once I journaled and I could look back at the pictures, I could look back at the numbers, everything changed. So if you don't want to claim my backtesting strategy, get a journal. It doesn't have to be mine. You can Google a free one, but just do it and you'll see it's gonna change your life. And not to change your life, maybe not right now, but it will make it so you don't waste so much time. Last but not least, secret number 5, trade with the trend. Your best friend is not gonna be me. Your best friend is not going to be your tutor. Your mentor is not gonna be your best friend. The trend is. So make sure that you really master your daily bias. When you go in every single morning and start trading, make sure that you know what your bias is. What does that mean? Make sure that you know if you're gonna be entering longs or shorts. With shorts, you make money when the market goes down, and with longs, you make money when the market goes up. But just be 1000% sure on what you're doing and why you're doing it. And then make sure that you do that every single session. Every single time that you step into the charts, you do the exact same thing. And then boom. I promise you that if you don't trade against the trend, your trading is gonna go. And honestly, this secret number 5 is really the best one. It's gonna make everything. Because if you're trading against the trend, I promise your win rate could be 80% with the trend, but without it and going against it is gonna go to like a 10 or 20%. I've been there. I'm not here talking just out of my ass. So trade with the trend and you're gonna see how far you go along. I promise you, there is a million videos out there. I even have videos about it. Here, I'm gonna pop up one right here, or it's gonna be the second link in the description, where I also give you my old strategy that comes with creating bias, a full-on 30-minute video that gives you everything here on YouTube, which is the same way that I create bias till this day. But yeah, that's really everything I got for you guys today. Let me know if you guys liked the video. Please listen up to everything I said, because I'm not just here doing this for completely free for no reason. I'm doing it because I'm here to help you. I care. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like. Let me know in the comments what other videos you guys want to see, and make sure to follow me on Instagram, pal. And yeah, lock the fuck in, make some money. Peace out.